Understanding the phrase, RSS feed. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of the internet and technology, particularly focusing on a phrase you might have heard or read somewhere, RSS feed. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it is and why it's significant. RSS stands for Really Simple Syndication. It's a technology that allows users to automatically receive new content from websites they're interested in, without having to visit the website directly. Really simple. It is designed to be easy for both creators and consumers. Syndication refers to the distribution of content. A feed, in this context, is a stream or flow of content updates. Imagine a flowing river of information that keeps getting replenished as new content is added. That's the essence of an RSS feed. Why do we need RSS feeds? Let's delve into their significance. 1. Stay updated. RSS feeds allow users to receive updates from multiple websites in one place. If you love reading blogs or news sites, instead of visiting each site separately, you can simply use an RSS feed reader to see all updates in one place. 2. Efficiency. Instead of repeatedly checking websites for new content, RSS feeds automatically notify you. This saves a lot of time and effort. 3. Customized content. Users can choose which feeds to subscribe to, ensuring they only receive content relevant to their interests. If you're thinking, great, but how do I start using RSS feeds? Here's a simple breakdown. 1. Find the RSS icon. This is usually an orange icon with white radio waves. Many websites, especially news sites and blogs, will have this icon. 2. Copy the feed URL. Once you click on the RSS icon, you'll be given a URL. This is the feed's link. 3. Add to a feed reader. There are many free RSS feed readers available. Simply paste the copied URL into your chosen reader to start receiving updates. There you have it. The world of RSS feeds might sound complex at first, but it's really about making our online content consumption easier and more efficient. I hope this video helped shed some light on the topic for you. Stay curious and keep learning.